Hi, welcome to Answers Queue. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some free professional certifications that are offered by the Management and Strategy Institute. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to Answers Queue, press this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So this is the official website of the Management and Strategy Institute, where you can get a lot of different professional certifications. They offer both paid certifications, that is paid professional certifications, and also some free professional certifications. Some top selling professional certifications in this MSI website are Six Sigma Black Belt Professional, Six Sigma Green Belt Certified, Change Management Specialist, Corporate Trainer Certified, Six Sigma Yellow Belt Certification, and Project Management Qualification. So all these things are popular certifications that are available in MSI. So they also offer some free certifications, as I said. To see all the certifications that are offered by the MSI Institute, you can just click on here, view all professional certificates. Just click on it. And now in this page, you can see all the professional development certifications that are offered by the Management and Strategy Institute. So they are offering certifications on different things like Six Sigma project simulators, project management, business certifications are also offered by the MSI, leadership certifications, information technology certifications, healthcare certifications, HR, that is human resources certifications, government focused certifications, education focused certifications, call center certifications, resume boosting certifications, certification package details. So you can do a set of certifications. They have given the package details. You can just look into it if you want. So in this big list of certifications that are professional, you have some free professional certifications. There are two free professional certifications which I'm going to show you now. You don't need to pay for that. I'll show you the two certifications now. The first one is Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification. So you can see here free. So this certification is available for free in MSI website. So to see the detail of this program, just click on this name here, Lean Six Sigma White Belt Certified. Just click on it. And now you can see all the details about this Six Sigma White Belt certification. So this is a program which will cover exactly what Six Sigma is and why it is being used in business around the world to streamline operations and eliminate waste. And if you scroll down, you can see the further details, that is the topics covered in this program are history of Six Sigma, the DMAIC method, why is DMAIC method used, Six Sigma bells, Six Sigma roles, basics of lean, WBSIM simulation, and you have to take an exam after completing the course. So this exam will be around 30 minutes, I guess. Yes, it is here. It is a timed exam with a limit of 30 minutes and you will get 15 questions which you need to answer. So after passing the exam, you can download your certificate. So you can see here, what will I receive after I pass my test? You will receive a digital certificate of completion immediately upon completion of the exam. So you will get a certificate, as I said, and you can add this certification to your resume and you can also add it to your LinkedIn profile. And if you have any doubt whether this certification will be useful to you, just read these lines here. Is Six Sigma in demand? Very much so. Six Sigma process improvement methods are high demand with companies large and small. And you can see here, cutting waste and inefficiency makes a company more profitable and employees with Six Sigma skills are more valuable. So it's very much useful certification which you can get for free. So this is the first one, Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification. I have said that I'll show you two free certifications which are professional. So this is the first one in the list, Six Sigma White Belt certification. Now I'll show you the second free certification which is available for free. Just go to the certifications tab here so that we can see all the certifications. So this is the first one, Lean Six Sigma, and the second one is Project Management Essentials certification. Just click on it to see the details. You can see here, this is also free project management certification, and this is a basic program which will help you in understanding the project management principles. And if you scroll down, you can see the topics covered in this program. What is a project definition, how projects fail, planning stage, executing stage, monitoring stage, failure reasons, stages of PM initiating stage, closing stage, effective PMs, additional learning. So you'll be learning about all these things in this program and you will get an exam after completing the course content. it is the same procedure. You will get 30 minutes. You can see here it is timed with a limit of 30 minutes. So you will get a 30-minute exam with 15 questions, and after passing the test you can receive your digital certificate for free of cost. You don't need to pay for the certificate, it's free. And you can read these lines here. Is project management in demand? To know the importance of this certification. So you can see here, having the ability to properly lead a project to success is a skill employers are always looking for. So this certification will also be helpful to you all. After completing it, get your certificate and share it on LinkedIn platform. So this is the second one, free project management certification. So in this big list of free certifications offered by the MSI Institute, you have two free certifications. As I said, one is Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification and the other one is Project Management Essentials certification. So you have these two available for free. Now let's see how to enroll in this free professional certification offered by the MSI. Just click on the course name, whichever you want to enroll, and you can see here enroll now for both the certifications which we saw now. Just click on enroll now here. Once you click on enroll now, you will see this login and create an account. So if you already have a MSI account, just give your details and sign into your account. If you are coming here for the first time, create an account, give your mail address and choose a password and click on sign up and create your MSI account. So let me log into my account and catch up later. So when you are creating your account in MSI, once you give your details and click on sign up, you will see this, an email has been sent to your account. So you will get a mail like this from the MSI. You have to click on this link and give all your details, and then you will be directed to the checkout process. That is the next step. So you can click on next step, checkout now. Now the process is complete. Just click on go to dashboard. So that's it. Now we have successfully enrolled in the Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification. So this is how you need to create an account and enroll in a certification program in the Management and Strategy Institute website. And remember that you have 1 year time to complete the certification program, and they have given the modules and the progress will come here. You can just click on start and start learning for free. Once you complete the course, you can see here completed courses. Now it's 0. This will become 1 or 2 once you complete the courses. You can just click on the completed courses and go to the completed courses tab, and you can download your certificate once you complete the courses. So this is the place where your completed courses will appear. Now it's showing like you have not completed any courses yet. So once you complete the courses, as I said, the courses will appear here and you can download your digital certificate for free from the MSI website. So this is the content for this video. Management and Strategy Institute is offering a lot of different professional development certifications, and you have two free certifications in that. One is Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification and the other one is Project Management Essentials certification. So I hope this one was useful to you all. Make use of this opportunity to get a certification for free. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.